In terms of the overall timeline, basically just getting outside and getting astronaut Sonny Williams on the left, Aki Hoshide there on the right. Travel high above the South Pacific Ocean, about to head over.
Flag next to the white line is on the unlock.
A lot of the debris that the crew saw down in there, making sure that the threads are clean.
I want to go back to your original Aki, the H2 spot where you've installed it in the past.
Just watch the force from the reds. We want to be no side loads or anything as we start to drive this in.
Around the 5-turn point.
Status indicator.
That's where they saw some stickiness before.
Unlock. And the one down by you, Sonny.
I got one job.